The first thing to do when starting with CallPage is to set up your team that will answer the incoming calls. In this video, you'll learn how to add a new team member, verify the phone number, and set up working hours. Let's start by adding a new team member. Navigate to My Team tab located in the menu, and then click Add Teammate in the top right corner. First, we have users with licenses who get access to the panel. You can select from 5 different user license roles, tailoring to what fits your team's needs best. Or if you're looking to keep it simple, you can add call operators who'll only handle incoming calls. To add a new team member, enter their full name, email address, and the phone number they'll use to answer calls. Added team members will receive an email invitation to join the CallPage. Verifying your agent's phone number is essential to connect them with clients requesting callbacks. First, take a look next to your agent's number. See a green check? If not, just click Verify. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Choose how you'd like to verify. After receiving a code, enter it and select the Verify button. All done. In case you don't get a verification code, contact our support team. Let's dive into setting your agent's schedules in CallPage. Choose a teammate and click Edit. Go to Assignments. First, assign a consultant to the widget. If a consultant is already assigned to the widget, click the calendar icon and the schedule appears. Choose the consultant's work schedule based on your time zone. The default schedule is from 9 to 5 p.m. for 5 days, or select an extended week schedule. You can even set up breaks when they can't take phone calls. You can automatically adjust the same working hours for all consultants assigned to one widget. That's all. Now you're ready to set up your team in CallPage.